Dear students, welcome back. Today, for the first time, I'm shooting a video from the school, and today, the topic that we are going to start is constructions. Now, in constructions, first construction that I am going to tell you, how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Suppose AB is a line segment, and now I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. Perpendicular bisector means a line which is perpendicular to AB and which passes through the midpoint of it. Now, although you know for construction we need geometrical instruments like compass, ruler, but right now I am just going to give you the rough method, or only the method of drawing these perpendicular bisectors. You can practice at your place using various geometrical instruments. Now, to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB, you take the compass and with A as the center and radius which is slightly more than half of AB, whatever is the length of AB, slightly more than half of AB, you take the radius in the compass, and taking A as the center, you draw an arc on one side of AB and another arc on the other side of AB. Remember, same radius which is slightly more than half of AB, and with A as the center, you draw an arc on either side of AB. Now, with the same radius, without changing the radius, and taking B as the center, you draw another arc on one side and on the other side also. Okay? So I repeat, with the radius which is slightly more than half of AB, taking A as the center, draw two arcs on either side of AB, and with B as the center, draw two arcs on either side of AB. Now in all you have drawn four arcs. So the first two arcs, they intersect at this point. Let this point be P, and the next two arcs, they intersect at this point. Let this point be Q. Now you join PQ. When you join PQ, this is the perpendicular, PQ is the perpendicular bisector of line AB. This angle will be 90 degree and these two sides are equal. So PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, so we have done how to construct the perpendicular bisector, and now I will tell you one more construction, and that is angle bisector of a given angle. Angle bisector of a given angle. Now suppose AOB is an angle, and you have to draw a line which is bisecting the angle AOB. Now, taking any suitable radius, suitable means not very short or not very long, take any suitable radius, and with O as the center, you draw an arc like this. I repeat, taking any suitable radius with O as the center, you draw an arc. Now that arc, it cuts OA say at point P and OB at point Q. Now with the same radius, or you can change the radius also. Taking P as the center, you draw an arc here, and with the same radius, taking Q as the center, you draw another arc here, and now you join, let this point be say L, and you join OL. So this OL is the angular bisector of angle AOB. OL is the angular bisector of angle AOB. Clear? So once you know how to make the angular bisector, now you can easily construct various angles like 90, 45, 60 degree, 30 degree and so on. So in the next class, I will tell you how to make these angles, how to construct these angles, that is 90 degree, 45 degree, 60 and 30 or 15 degrees, that I will tell you in the next class. Okay, so it's just the starting of construction. We'll continue with the topic in the next class. Thank you.